Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a mask. Once again, I love masks. I used to think they're so inconvenient, but I'm obsessed with them now. This one is from Micaylah Makeup. It is the Mummy Whipping Bubble Cleansing Mask. And this mask was really interesting to me. I did get this mask through Kaylin and Octoly. So definitely happy I got to try this out on their part. This mask is supposed to be a single step cleansing, exfoliating, and hydrating mask. If we all could get a mask that does that, skincare would be so much easier, I feel like. My allergies are acting up a little bit. I'm just not having it today, so I'm drinking some lemon water. And I'm trying to get through this little hot, cold, nasally situation I'm having. Sorry, I was looking out my window because a whole bunch of big trucks keep driving by. But basically, you put this on, it bubbles up in 3 seconds, it bubbles up. And then in 3 minutes, you just take the mask off. What's up with all this traffic? Anyways, you take the mask off, rub it into your skin like you would face wash, and then you rinse it off and you're done. And yes, I switched from that wall to this wall because that wall be getting hot because there's a window right there and I don't have no blinds, no nothing. And you know, Florida is just no. But before we get into this video, be sure to subscribe at the button down below and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss another video. Okay, so I've already used one mask. I put one mask in a giveaway that I'm having on my Instagram and it ends on the 31st. So definitely go check that out. But I have 2 masks left, so we're gonna use one right now. My nose. Okay, we're struggling. I want y'all to know that I struggle so bad every day with this. But it's been better lately because I've been on inhalers. Yeah, we're just gonna open this and just go for it. So just open the container, and this be completely saturated, and I love that. But it's not overly saturated with stuff, and it does not. Honestly, it doesn't bubble up, but when you rub it in, it does have a whipped texture whenever you go to wash it off, and that's where I think they get whipping mask, not the bubbles, definitely not. But it's subtly bubbles. It's subtle. It's a very subtle bubble. And this mask actually fits my face, which I was very excited about. Ooh, it feels so good. So the bubbles start in 3 seconds, which is now, I guess. 1, 2, 3. And it is already bubbling up. Very hard for me to talk because I don't want it to slip off my face or get in my mouth. Okay, I'm just gonna let this sit on my face for 3 to 5 minutes. This is pretty much what you can feel the bubbling. You can see it right here. But this is what it basically is bubbling up till. It doesn't bubble that awful much, to be honest with you. But it is a very good mask, and I really just wanted to share this mask with you guys. You can see the bubbles. That's basically all it bubbles up to. It's not nothing intense, which I kind of like. Okay, so my hands are a little sticky. It is a very sticky mask, I'm not gonna lie. But it's been on for 3 to 5 minutes. So let me just take this off because it's slipping down already. And you can see it bubbling up a little bit on my face, just a tiny bit. As you rub it in, it becomes a really whipped type of formula, to be honest. But this feels so good on my skin. I'm gonna go wash my hands and my face, and I'll be back. Okay, so my face feels so much better. I feel so much better than I did before I started this video. I'm not even gonna lie. Y'all seen how much I was struggling on this video. That was not cool at all, period. I don't know what happened. Definitely suggest that mask to anybody. It is so good, and it's definitely a really good skin prep for makeup or anything like that. Or even it's a really good morning mask because it's quick, easy, and you're done. So yeah, that's what I feel about it. I do have a friend right here. So all y'all that say my skin is perfect, it is not perfect. There's a pimple right there and it's filled with blackheads. There's a pimple right here. The discoloration, like, no. My texture has gotten a lot better, but I really want to go to a dermatologist for my blackheads because this is crazy. But yeah, I really suggest that mask. I'll list it down below. I know I suck at listing things down below. I try. But before you leave, subscribe, and I will see you at my next video. You better be there.